Hi everyone, I will show you how to track a Calendly iframe from using Google Tag Manager. It is embedded with my website, and you can see this is a iframe from. If you click right here, you can see view frame source. That's mean it is a iframe. Because it is a iframe from, we need a custom HTML code to listen to the event. So we already created the custom code. This is the custom code. I will add this code in my video description. We need to paste this code into a Google Tag Manager custom HTML code. So click new and use this option custom HTML and paste the code. Trigger will be all pages. Name anything, Calendly listener code. Now preview our container. We need to check our code is working or not. Submit this Calendly from. Okay. Okay, here it is. Oh, it is working. And now we need to send this data to GA4. For this we need create a custom trigger. Copy this event, create a new trigger, trigger type is custom event, and paste the event name. Calendly trigger. And now create another text for GA4. We will send this data to our analytics platform like Google Analytics. Measurement ID. Name this event Calendly from, and trigger will be Calendly trigger. Name this tag anything, GA4 Calendly. Save. Now we check in real life in debug view and preview our container. Okay. Yes, our page view event worked perfectly. Now we need to submit our calendar form. Okay, you are scheduled. That means our conversion tracking worked perfectly. This is our event and our tags fired. In real time we can see that data will come here. Just take little bit time. Okay, that's it. Our calendar from tracking work perfectly. I hope this video helps you understand the process.